Hello my students, how are you? I hope you are all doing well. This is your teacher Karim. Welcome again to a new video. Let's get started.
It's raining today. Let's go back to school. I want to learn and play.
It's winter, it's snowing and it's cold. Let's make a snowman. My hands are very cold. It's spring, it's sunny. Let's go out. Let's go to the park. There are flowers all around. It's summer, it's very hot today. Let's go to the beach. I want to swim and play. There are 4 seasons in a year: autumn, winter, spring, summer. In the summer, it's hot and sunny. In the winter, it's cold and it snows. In the spring, people go to the park. In the summer, people go to the beach. In the winter, I make a snowman. In the summer, I go swimming. There are 4 seasons in a year: autumn, winter, spring, summer. My favorite season is summer because I like the beach. My favorite season is winter because I like the snow. In the summer it's very hot. In the winter it's very cold.
Hello, my name is Taha. My favorite season is the winter. People wear hats, coats, gloves, and scarves because it's cold and it snows in the winter.
Hello, my name is Yusuf. Summer is my favorite season. In my favorite season, people go swimming. It's summer, it's very hot today. Let's go to the beach. I want to swim and play. What's your favorite season? My favorite season is summer. And you? Me too, I like the summer. What do you do in the summer? I go to the beach. Me too, I like the beach. I go swimming every day. Summer is my favorite season. Yeah, I'm so excited for the summer.
Hello.
Hi. What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is summer.
Good. My favorite season is spring.
What do you do in spring?
I go to the park.
I like the summer.
I like the spring.
This is all for now. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. Goodbye and see you soon.